To connect Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro with mobile application, it actually looks the same for iPhone and Android. So first of all, you will have to start from placing both earbuds inside their charging case, just like in my case. Then close it and then simply open it one more time. Now you will have to put your finger right here on the touch panel and hold it for around 5 seconds until you can find some changes on this small screen, just like this. Now you will have to slide into the left side, select Bluetooth pairing, and now double tap. Then we should actually activate Bluetooth mode. If it's not working, just repeat. There we go. As you can see now, the Bluetooth is enabled because the icon is blinking. So we have to simply start from opening settings on our device, go to the connected devices, click to pair new device, and from available devices list, select Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro and accept the pairing request. On iPhone, there's actually no pairing request, but on Android, you will have to accept it. Now, you will have to start from opening Google Play Store and you have to search for this Soundcore Anchor application and simply download it. Now, you will have to open it, accept the terms of use and privacy, click agree, and right now you don't actually have to log into this application. You can click skip in the left upper corner, accept permissions, and click to add device. Accept another permission, and now it's searching for the Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, and here just tap on them once to select them. Here you can find short information, short guide, and we are successfully connected. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.